The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter is a remarkable blend of functionality, durability, and versatility, proving to be an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable means of transport for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Available in 3 power variants, 500W, 800W, and 1200W, this scooter is designed to accommodate a wide range of riding preferences and terrains, making it suitable for various riders. Build quality and design. One of the first things that catches the eye about the Caroma Peak scooter is its sturdy construction. Built with a robust frame, it feels solid underfoot and instills confidence in the rider. The scooter boasts 20-inch off-road tires that provide impressive traction and stability, whether navigating urban streets or rugged trails. The suspension system further enhances the riding experience, absorbing bumps effectively and ensuring a smooth ride over uneven surfaces. The scooter also comes equipped with a comfortable seat that can be adjusted to suit the rider's height, making it a practical option for longer journeys. The overall design is sleek and modern, with an emphasis on functionality. The handlebars are ergonomically designed, allowing for a comfortable grip, which is essential during extended rides. Performance. When it comes to performance, the Caroma Peak does not disappoint. The power variants allow riders to choose according to their needs. The 500W model is perfect for city commuting, easily tackling inclines and offering sufficient speed for urban travel. The 800W and 1200W models, on the other hand, are ideal for those who crave more power, especially for off-road adventures. The 1200W version can reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, making it a thrilling choice for adventurous spirits. The scooter's range is equally impressive. Depending on the model, it offers a range of 15, 25, or 30 miles on a single charge. This means that even for longer commutes or excursions, you can rely on the Caroma Peak to get you there without the constant worry of running out of battery. The quick recharge time adds to its convenience, with most models fully charging in about 5 to 6 hours. Features. Caroma has packed this scooter with features designed for a modern riding experience. The bright LED headlights and taillights ensure visibility during nighttime rides, promoting safety. Additionally, the integrated horn is a thoughtful touch, allowing riders to signal their presence in busy areas. The digital display mounted on the handlebars is user-friendly, providing real-time information such as speed, battery life, and riding mode. This level of information at your fingertips enhances the overall riding experience, allowing you to make informed decisions while on the road. The scooter also comes with a regenerative braking system, which not only provides an added layer of safety but also helps extend the battery life. This feature is especially useful during downhill rides, where it can recapture some energy and improve efficiency. Portability. Despite its robust build, the Caroma Peak is relatively lightweight and can be folded for easy transport and storage. This is particularly advantageous for commuters who may need to combine their scooter ride with other forms of transport, such as buses or trains. The folding mechanism is intuitive and quick, allowing you to switch from riding to transport mode in seconds. Drawbacks. While the Caroma Peak boasts many strengths, it is not without its drawbacks. The weight capacity could be a concern for heavier riders, as the maximum load is around 250 pounds. Riders exceeding this limit may experience diminished performance or instability. Additionally, while the seat is a great addition for comfort, it may not appeal to everyone, especially younger riders who may prefer a stand-up scooter. Furthermore, while the charging time is reasonable, some users might find it inconvenient if they need to use the scooter multiple times a day. A portable charger option could enhance this aspect, but currently, it's not included. Conclusion. The Caroma Peak Electric Scooter with seats stands out as a top-tier option for both urban commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. With its powerful motor options, impressive range, and comfortable design,